see
Well,
Divya Roop was
ah.
rocking up YouTube like crazy. Competitors, you know. Well, so how's the event going? How do you find it?
It's interesting. I love Kashyap because it's like one of the place where you can have really amazing movies and you enjoy movies from across the world. So like I love the concept and I love the fact that you can see a lot of different aspects of life. And not just that because I really found out a lot of things which are quite educational for me. Different kinds of relationships, different kinds of spectrums that we have never explored as well. So I think it's interesting to be at Kashish, and plus you get to meet a lot of people, discuss a lot of things. So yeah, pretty much
Superb.
it.
So, well, can you please explain the kind of dressing you have done today, the kind of dresser you are? So, people are more confused, like between a transgender and something else. So, what exactly? Can you explain, elaborate?
So the dressing that I have, I am in right now. I prefer to term myself as androgynous, and a lot of people have confusion about what is cross-dressing, what is androgyny, what is transgenders, and what is drag. Quite confusing to be very honest if you look at from a different person who has no idea. What I understand, or what rather I understood throughout my journey, androgyny is something which is mix of both the genders. It doesn't really have to be that you have to have a breast or you have to shave it off. Or my look is basically you put on jewelry, you put on makeup, you put on heels, you put on clothes the way you want to, and
So, you just be a man.
yeah, for girls it will be like they wear girly clothes, but they have a dressing sense which is more manly. To be very honest, in India, androgyny for women have been very common because women have been wearing men's clothes for quite a long
Yeah,
time.
exactly.
So yeah, but why it's become difficult for people to understand what androgyny is and how is it different is because they see makeup and heels and jewelry and they believe that it's cross-dressing. However, cross-dressing basically means that a man who is dressing up like a woman so that he can look like a woman, not to mix the two genders. Similarly for women, it will be opposite side. Trans term would be something that what the person feels within themselves. So, like if me being a man feel like I'm a woman inside, then I will be a trans person. But I don't feel like I'm a woman. I feel like I'm a man who loves to do makeup, who loves to wear jewelry, who loves to wear heels. And for people who do not understand what drag is an exaggerated form of cross-dressing where you have wigs, you have flaunting makeup, overload of makeup, and you hide your eyebrows, define your eyebrows completely differently. So that's completely different. So a lot of terms which are there in out, for people to understand, and people confuse. So yes, I am not cross-dressing right now. I am being androgynous. Right?
Alright. So, one very important message to the people out there who think like transgender hai, ye hai, wo hai. So, what is one important message you'd like to give to people out there?
Don't define people what you perceive. If you don't know, rather ask the person. Don't come up to me and ask me, "Oh, are you transgender?" You can simply ask me, "What do you define yourself as? What gender do you belong to?"
Very important.
So don't tag people yourself. Let people tag themselves if they want to, and if they don't want to, good enough. You don't have to tag anyone. Be on the safer side. That's what I can say.
So that's great. Okay. Apart from that, so you have seen movies, right?
Aye.
So, like what? How did you find movies? Is there any favorite movies of yours till the day?
My favorite movie is My Coming Out Story.
You're coming out. I mean, are you working for it? Or the same?
No, so my video was screened, which was My Coming Out Story. But
Congratulations, by the way.
but yes, less of self-bragging. I have seen quite a lot of movies. There are quite interesting movies. I can't really name them because there are so many beautiful movies. Like there's one which was White Knight. So that movie is about two women who love each other, and they're from tribal region of South India, which is quite interesting because I think people need to see that the love can come from any region, any place. So yeah, I think there are many more interesting movies. So, yeah.